What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new review. In this review, we're going to be going over Viddyoze. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but Viddyoze. Just kind of my experience with it and what it can be used for and all of that great stuff. But really, what it comes down to is this is an incredible software that will allow you to make great animations very, very fast without really having any sort of, skill or anything like that. So I've been using the program for quite a while now, and I was actually able to speak with the creators of this program, and they were able to get me a discount code. So if you click the link right below this video, what you're going to be able to get is a discount code. So just click the link right below this video and you'll be taken to a page very similar to this one right here. Now, I highly recommend that you watch this video right here and you just make sure that, yeah, this is something that I really want to do. Make sure you 100% understand what you're getting yourself into and what you're going to be getting with the whole entire platform. There's really so much more information than that I just can't go over myself. So I highly recommend that you just check out the video and see if this is really for you. But Viddyoze, they'll help you create studio grade intros, outros, call to actions, logo stings, social actions, and just pure live action magic. All done so you don't have to actually download the software. It's all done in the cloud, which is great. It's the only fully automated video animation maker for marketers and businesses. So with this in mind, they're not really making this software for a high level Hollywood movie producer, or someone who's a video editor full time for just random stuff. This is for someone who's kind of like a startup, maybe a one-person shop, and they're looking for very professional animation work, but not too expensive. I'll get high-class professional animations in just 3 clicks. They have all of these different templates that you can use and kind of put together to create the perfect video. Say goodbye to expensive contractors and unreliable freelancers so you can do all the work yourself. And what's best is you can even sell this as your own as well. So this is definitely a business model in itself. Once you have these great looking video animation templates and all the skills necessary, you can actually just go ahead and sell them yourself. So that's definitely a route you can go down. But there's tons of reviews, 4.7 rating on Trustpilot. You can see the different reviews here. And then I highly recommend you check out these logos as well. So these are some of the logos that you can actually create. There's tons of them. And I highly recommend just click through here, watch them, and make sure you understand what you're getting. And like I said, guys, just click the link right below this video. There really is just so much information that I just can't go over myself. So like I said, just click the link below, you get a discount code, and you can actually just see more in-depth kind of what's going on. And another thing, like I mentioned, you don't have to actually hire expensive people to make animations anymore. You can actually be these people. These people are charging $80 per hour, $150 an hour. You can actually be these people once you get good enough. So that's something to think about as well. You can check out some of the testimonials here and just keep going through the work. I mean, really, there's not much to explain except showing you guys what these animations look like and you yourself going through these and taking a look at them. So for example, if we click this one right here, and you can see kind of the, different animations that people are creating, all right? Different stock images, you can place your logo in different places, all right? So it really is all up to you to just click the link below, go check this out and see if this is something that's really for you. I don't really feel like rambling on and on anymore about what this is. I highly recommend you read this, why this is something you need to get. And what's great about this is just like most products, if you don't like it, you can always just get your money back. They have I think 60-day money back guarantee. So literally all you have to do is just, if this is not for you, there's absolutely no risk at all. Just simply contact the creators and they will get you your money back. So that's it, guys. That is the review. They also have a frequently asked questions section as well. So just come through here, see if this is for you, get your discount if you want. If not, then it's all good. But yeah, it's a very high quality software. I've been using it to create some intros for my different YouTube channels, and it's been great so far. So definitely check it out. I highly recommend it. And you're buying from a reliable company and reliable people who will give you your money back if this is not something for you. So thanks again, guys, for taking the time. Click the link below for your discount, and I wish you the best of luck.